may we all stand and let us welcome the reason why we are gathered here tonight, Mr. Joel Mateo and Mrs. Annalisa Mateo.
Palakpak po siya.
Sarap kwenta'y manila kung tinapara sipsipan. Muli po ako palakpakan kay man, kay pamilya ng Mr. and Mrs. Joel Mateo.